Easy balloon ropes. Start by inflating your 5-inch balloons with 2 pumps of air. Tie your balloons together securely. Inflate all of your balloons and then tie them together in sets of 2. Now you'll assemble the rope using a 260 balloon. Securely tie your 260 to one set of balloons. Then you're going to start to assemble by placing the next set opposite, and you continue the pattern all the way to the top until you get the length that you want. When you're done, you're going to tie the top off, just pull it through itself and give it a good tug. This is what you'll end up with. Add another 260 to make it longer and keep going with the pattern. Here's a quick recap of another one. If this was helpful, hit that subscribe button for more. Thanks, bye!